One of the great things about taking the back roads, the roads less traveled, is you run into some really cool sights. You find some interesting things you might not have ever discovered otherwise. Well, during our trip first week of January, heading down from Wyoming to the desert, we made our way down the back way into Nevada, came down from Tonopah heading south. That's where we found, not too far from there, a really cool hot spring you may have seen in a previous video. Well, we also stopped in, we went through Goldfield, Nevada. We stopped at the International Car Forest. And I've been reading about this place for years, heard about it for years, and never took the time to stop. So this time through, we did stop. It's bigger than I expected, but it's a cool little spot, a little bit reminiscent of like Cadillac Ranch or something down in Texas. Anyway, we filmed this more than a month ago, and I just haven't had a chance to edit it yet. This has been an interesting winter for us. We've been in the desert for a month now, and believe it or not, I've literally had to go back to Wyoming 3 times in 3 weeks to attend to some work for our other business there, stuff that wasn't expected ahead of time, came in at the last minute, and I just had to take care of it. So anyways, that's caught up now, so now I'm trying to catch up on some videos, including this one from the International Car Forest in Goldfield, Nevada. And coming up next, in another week or so, is going to be a cool video from the ghost town of Rhyolite outside of Beatty, Nevada. I've been there before, but a few times, but this time we found some new stuff we hadn't known was there. But without further ado, the International Car Forest. I want this for my next camper van. What do y'all think? I wonder if they'll sell it to us. It just needs a little bit of restoration work, and it would be perfect. Just epic. We Might have to take this off though. That's a little too much of a high top even for me.
You're like the second floor.
I'm almost wondering if we should stop and just add the van to their collection. Make a vehicle donation to add to the car for us. So this is the International Car Forest here in Goldfield, Nevada. Now I've been through Goldfield, I don't know, I'm sure at least a dozen times over the years, and I've known about this place, but I haven't actually stopped before today to check it out. And I thought, you know, let's just do it when we're going through. So pretty cool. I gotta say, my favorite vehicle out here was that old panel van, the old delivery van. That was pretty cool. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite, or if you have a favorite here. It's definitely an interesting place. Goldfield is an old mining town. It's a pretty small town these days. It's often referred to as being a almost ghost town, or you know, becoming a ghost town type of thing. I don't know if that's strictly true or not. It's got to be hundreds of people here anyways. I'm not sure off the top of my head, but it's a fun little place. Like much of Nevada, it's quirky, and this is a great example of that. This reminds me in a way, actually it's much more large geographically here than I expected. I was kind of thinking of something like the Cadillac Ranch, if you've seen that one, where the cars are all stuck in the ground on end. So I thought it'd be something like that, but it's actually bigger than that. They do have cars in the ground in all kinds of positions, of course, but pretty fun. It's in Goldfield, Nevada. It's between like Tonopah and Beatty, if you're on along 95 here. And it's, I think according to the sign out on 95, it's like 6 blocks off, but It's maybe a quarter mile off the main drag through town, so pretty fun if you want to check it out. And if I can find anything else about this, I know it's been featured in a number of media sites, publications. If I can find a link for a website or anything like that, I'll put it in the video description below in case you want to learn more about this place or plan a visit here yourself. But just a fun place to stop and check out on our way through. So, hope you enjoyed this little look around the International Car Forest here in Goldfield, Nevada.